Hey there, let's dive into the vibrant world of our 100PCS Mardi Gras beads, perfect for adding a splash of color and fun to any celebration. This set includes 10 different kinds of bead necklaces, each measuring 33 inches, making them a universal fit for both women and men, so you can easily share the festive spirit with friends and family. Crafted from high-quality metal-colored plastic, these beads are not only safe but also durable, ensuring they last through countless parties and parades. The bright and bold colors of these beads are designed to enhance the atmosphere of any festival, from Mardi Gras to birthdays, weddings, and beyond. Whether you're throwing them from a parade float or using them as party favors, these versatile accessories are sure to meet all your celebration needs. With this set, you can effortlessly elevate the mood and create unforgettable memories at any event. So, get ready to embrace the joy and excitement of every occasion with these fantastic bead necklaces. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.